This is a personal profile overview. If you want to quickly turn scattered information like this into a well-structured, beautifully designed blog web page, how can you do it? The answer is simple. With Lemon AI, it only takes one prompt. First, create a blog space. Then upload your source materials in the source section, such as profile information and related assets. Next, simply enter your request. Generate a blog web page for Elon Musk. The layout should be rich, include image displays, and enable web search. Press enter and leave the rest to Lemon AI. Lemon AI will automatically start working. No manual intervention is required. Just sit back and wait for the results. Within minutes, a complete and polished blog web page is generated. If you'd like the content to be even more comprehensive, that's easy too. You can continue chatting with Lemon AI, and it will refine the page based on your requests, adding the latest information, improving the structure, and making the page more detailed and professional. If you have similar blog needs, give Lemon AI Agentic Space a try and effortlessly turn your content into a fully usable blog website.